Albert, the baddest producer.
Mercy of the Lord, following me around everywhere I go. Every time I sing to you, it's abracadabra one day. Every time I sing to you, going on my knees to pray to you. Hear me from heaven, forgive my sins, Father, heal my land. Every time I sing to you, pray to you to have mercy on me. Mo lè rí ayọ̀ṣẹ́ láyé mi. It gives strength to the weary, increases the power of the weak. Yes, I know. But those who hope in the Lord, they will soar on wings like an eagle. They will run and not grow weary. They will walk and not be faint. Muleri ayọ̀ṣẹ́, muleri ayọ̀ṣẹ́, muleri ayọ̀ṣẹ́ láyé mi. Muleri ayọ̀ṣẹ́, muleri ayọ̀ṣẹ́, muleri ayọ̀ṣẹ́, bàbá rántí mi. My God, I call on you, never put me to shame. Cause only you can do what no man can do. Listen. The lions may grow weak and hungry, but those who seek the Lord shall lack no good thing. And that's what you said to me. Torí ẹ̀ mo ṣe wá o, wá bá mi ṣe o, má jẹ́ kó pẹ́. Ire owó. Mo fẹ́ kọ́lé, mo fẹ́ bímọ.
It's Albert, the baddest producer.
Má ṣọyọ̀ má yọ̀ ọ́. Father, I'm asking, Son, I'm knocking, Holy Spirit, I'm seeking. Never forsake me, never put me to shame. Baba mo ṣe o, mo ṣe o, mo ṣe o. Baba mo ṣe.